Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm trying to figure out a snack that I can eat like while studying a bit. So this one I have a Jose Ole taquitos, chicken flavor and corn tortillas. Yeah, this one is you can either three ways to cook: air fryer, oven, microwave. So I'm gonna do the oven because over here it's gonna create more crispier tortillas. So I'll try now. Especially it's not really bad because you only need like what, like one step. So I'm gonna preheat the oven and then let it stay there, and then it's gonna be done. So it's easy cooking. So I'm gonna again spray the pan, and then I'll open the box and see what's inside. Yeah, so this one is the taquitos inside. So it's not really like, again, it's not, there's no plastic. It's like all inside the box. I'm gonna drop it and then I'm just gonna arrange it so that it can heat properly. All right, I think it's good enough. It's gonna move a bit once I put it inside the oven because again, it's not gonna stay still, right? So I'm gonna preheat the oven. It's gonna be 400 degrees. Later on, if I'm gonna cook it, so the recommended time is 7 to 9. Again, I'm gonna pick the middle one is 8. So I'm gonna grab this one because the oven is ready, and then again put it inside in the center, and then I'll time the oven to 8 minutes. All right, we're just gonna wait, and it's done now. All right, I'm gonna take it out of the oven. I'm gonna try a couple of the taquitos, and then whatever's left, I'm gonna like put in the fridge, and then like eat it like tomorrow, or whenever I'm hungry. But yeah, it looks like this. So I'm gonna have it cool it down for a bit so I can touch it. And now it's cooled down. I was able to like put like 6 of them on this plate, and it would look like this. It's kind of cracked a bit, but yeah, it looks like crispier, and then the filling inside, you can see it. And then I'm just gonna use ketchup as my sauce. Again, if you have a better hot and spicy sauce, I think it would taste better. But it's all about whatever works for you and your preference. All right, guys. So this is it. I just study for my exam next week. All right. Thank you guys for watching.